For those who know about pistols, man, this thing looked like an HK VP9 as far as the lower and the top. What did it look like? What did it look like? The Glock 17. Look at it. This look like the Glock 17. You can't say it though. Boy, you see that polished chrome right there, boy? What's going on, y'all, man? Hey, listen, man. Thanks for tuning in. You know what I'm saying? Very much appreciated, man. To all my supporters. Much love, y'all. And if this is your first time tuning in, appreciate it, man. But do me a favor. Hit that like after you watch the video. Or even before. You know what I'm saying? You want to be proactive? Hit it before. But hit it afterwards. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment. Share my video. And subscribe, man. And hit that bell so you can get ping notified. Yeah, man. But anyway, man, as you see the name on the thumbnail, yeah, little title, I got a new gun, man, and it's a SAR, man. It's a SAR9. I did get it from the Eagle Show on Trevose, PA, like I said in my last video. Now I'm gonna show y'all what I got, all right? Let me stop rapping, man. Let me open this thing up. First of all, I normally do a view where I look down on the gun, but we're gonna do something different today, yeah? This is the thing here. That wasn't good. But anyway, y'all, you see them little things flying out. I'll show you box look all nice, you know what I mean? Durable box, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you the outside of the box, y'all. Got little latches right here. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? They got like little holes here where you can pretty much use locks, man. Keep this thing locked up, all right? But let me open this thing out, man. Let me show you what fell out. You already know what that is. You don't even use those. Or at least I don't use those. But anyway, you already know what this is, bruh. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Hold on a minute. It's okay, you know what I mean? This thing give you a little information, man. I like the pictures, though. Look at the pictures, man. SAR doing their thing, bro. They spending a little bit of money on this manual booklet here, man. It tells you everything about the pistol, you know what I'm saying? The breakdown. But anyway, enough of that. What comes in the box? You get 2 magazines. And these are steel. Steel, aluminum. They ain't plastic. They ain't polymer. So they're also 17. Let's see if I can see that. 17 plus 1. So, and you get 2 of those bad boys. You also get interchangeable hand grips. You know what I'm talking about? Whatever size your hand is, you got different options, man. I don't know the sizes of these things, but they say it inside here, but I ain't got my glasses on, so I can't see, y'all. I bet y'all ain't know that, did y'all? Yeah, I can't see from close, unless it's money. Yeah, anyway, y'all, you got interchangeable, all right? Then you get the little side panels for the grip, for the hand grip, right? Then you bring this little pin here. This is what you punch out the little, like the hand grips, you know what I mean? Like the different options and all that, different sizes. This is what you use to punch them out, right? Comes with the cleaning rod. Oh, what do you call this thing here? You know what that is. No, it's not a motor oil dipstick. I told you my jokes be dry, man. They get dry all the time, like my hands do. But yeah, anyway, we got this right here. Then we got a barrel brush. It's nice, man. Look at that. Let me see if you can see that, y'all. What is that, velvet? Yeah, damn sure do feel like velvet. But anyway, man, you get that there too, man. Oh man, and look, man. They even sent your boy some stickers, man. Appreciate that, yo. You know I love them stickers. Boy, crazy. Anyway, y'all, let's look at the gun, man. Let's look at the gun. Here you go, man. This thing is nice, man. This thing is it's fairly light. Has a little weight to it. As you can see, this thing is right out the box, man. I still got the sticker here. I don't know if y'all can tell me what that means right there, but I can't pronounce it. Let me try to pronounce it. This is Clit Control. Yapil Mister. Damn, I probably butchered that up all crazy. But if you look at the back, man, you want to speak English. It says, what, quality control, right? Oh, quality control is made. Yeah, anyway, y'all. I'm gonna leave it. Let me rip that ticket off, man. I don't need that right there, boy. My bad, yo. I get caught up in stickers and all that stuff, you heard? But, yo, let's drop the mag. Dang! Yeah, see? That thing splits that thing out like crazy. Bro, it's not magic. I'm not Houdini. But look. So just imagine if you had some rounds in there, man. It's a full mag. This thing might go through my hand. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Anyway, let's drop the mag. Like I always tell y'all, man, in my old videos, rack the slide, bro. Look. Get a visual. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to rack the slide, lock it. Look at that. Ain't nothing in there. Ain't nothing in there. But let's release that right there, man. So, for those who know about pistols, man, this thing looked like an HK VP9 as far as the lower. And the top, what did it look like? What did it look like? The Glock 17. Look at it. Come on, man. This look like the Glock 17. You can't say it don't. You cannot say it doesn't. Boy, you see that polished chrome right there, boy? That's another reason why I got this joint, man. A chrome barrel. Now, you know last time I showed you my PSA with the gold barrel, I told you I wanted one with a chrome barrel. Your boy got it. It ain't got to be white gold. It ain't silver. A little personal secret. I'm allergic to silver or fake gold. But I can rock titanium all day. But anyway, man, look, man, enough of that, man. Let's get too personal with doing these videos, man. Back to the gun, papito. Yeah, anyway, listen, man. 2 magazines I already told y'all. 17 plus 1. Alright, it's clear. I showed you guys. Let's take a look at the trigger. Alright. Let's see. See right here? A little take up. Right? Take up, wall, break, reset, bro, no. Oh, that's vicious. Another thing, y'all. I know a lot of people don't like safes, right? I know. I do. I don't mind it. So this is racked. Another thing too, man, how you can tell that the striker is ready to go. If you look right here in the trigger, it got that little red little diamond, or is that a diamond shape? Yeah, almost like a little diamond shape. Alright, so that tells you this thing is ready to strike, right? And when it's not, it stays back so you don't seem to see the red. That mean what? It's not hot, y'all. Okay? Alright, so back. Look. Let me show you one more time, man. Boom. Hot. Safety. Let's see if it works. Also, it got a little safety pin on the trigger, so if that's not pressed, it won't shoot. Just cover it. But I got the safety on. Right? No matter how hard you squeeze it, it ain't gonna go. Now let me drop the safe. Now I'm not gonna press this little pin here. I'm gonna press the side. It ain't gonna go. You completely press it. Boom. There you go, man. Anyway, man, this gun feels good, man. As far as the grip, feels good. Like I said, man, like a VP9 with a Glock 17. If they had a baby, why do I always say that? I don't think guns can have baby, but if they could, this would look like. I think the father might be the Glock. That might be the dad, the Glock 17, right? Because he the head of the household. Boy, your jokes get dry and dry every day, boy, I tell you. That's all right. I got lotion. Glock 17, all right? Head of the household. Let's keep going with that joke. And the mom. Yeah, boy, look at that, look at that. But I'll be going to the gun range, man, just to see what's up with this, man. It feels good. Pause. It looks good. But does it shoot good? And can you rely on it, man? And man, I bought this for a price of a dagger. Yeah, under 300 rounds. Wait. $300. My bad, y'all. Get a little tongue tied, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Under $300, man. I got it from the gun show, like I said. And that was out the door, bro. Everything. Out the door. So I will be doing a gun range review, man. I'm gonna see what this is about, man. I know I love my PSA daggers. I love my Tauruses. I love all my budget-friendly EDCs, man. It's just another one to the collection, man. But this one just looks, bro. Look at that, man. Come on, man. This thing, nice. Anyway, y'all, look, and you know, just to let y'all know, man. You take this down just like a Glock. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pull the trigger, pull these pins down on both sides. One there, one there. All right. Push the slide forward. Off it goes. I ain't gonna show y'all because YouTube restrictions. I ain't doing that. But anyway, man. So what else? Of course, in the front, you know what I'm saying, you put a little laser there. You want a laser? Put a laser there. You want a flashlight? Put a flashlight there. You good. And these sights are pretty good, man. 3-dot white sights, man. Yeah. We're gonna see. I don't know what this is for. I ain't take a... Well, you know, you need glasses when you gotta, like, hold the object across the street to look at it. Yeah, I told you I can't see from close, bro. Unless it's money. Them damn jokes. So anyway, man, I think that's pretty much it, man. Show you the gun. It's nice. It's chrome. 2 magazines. Under $300. 2 magazines, man. And, oh, what's this? Oh, this ain't came in a box. But this is something I reviewed in my last gun show. If you guys looking for any t-shirts made, custom-made t-shirts with all types of printing, lettering, or any saying, reach out to my man right here, man. You know what I'm saying? This is his contact, man. All right? And you know what to do. Tell him TredLife sent you. He gonna look out for you, man. All right? But anyway, y'all, let me get rid of that, man. I'm about to go to the gun range and let you guys see, but that'll be my next video, though, man. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and share my videos, man. Much love, y'all. Peace.